Very well, thank you. Yeah, all good. Been on the bus all day, so just managed to get back ready for the birthday party. So
awesome.
Amazing.
Excellent. We've got a bit of parcel going on a bit later. We got the jelly, and we definitely got custard coming up later.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
That's for the cake. That's for like eating cake with, right?
Exactly. Did you bring it?
Cool. I have got some custard, yeah.
Oh,
but
amazing.
Brilliant.
to go on top of cake.
Well, it's more for that later.
You're definitely going to be eating some later. Yeah, well done. Thanks. What?
I know.
Let's play the game.
Okay, so
I'm literally sweating conkers, guys.
don't be, honestly, Beth. You'll be fine. You've been on here before. You know we love you, right?
Exactly. No, you're not lovely to us at all.
She can't open a window seat because your cat will jump out. That's the problem.
She will. So it's pointless.
Let's play an adapted game of you versus us. So what we thought was, because obviously you two are brilliant sports.
You are the best.
Right? You are brilliant sports. And we thought that we would bring somebody on. Well, bring two people on to play against you in this game.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Interesting.
let's bring them on.
Nervous. Okay.
Here we go.
Take it off. Oh no!
That's number one.
I didn't have a clue.
That's number one. No. And number two.
You.
Al fresco, baby.
How long have we got, boys? We're going to be on here for at least 3 hours.
No, we're not. I'm going to cut Hayley Mann's off. If Hayley Mann starts talking, I'm cutting her off, right?
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. 12 months. 12 months we've done this and we're still here, and we haven't been sacked. It's amazing, right?
Yeah. So thank you.
Why we wanted you to come on is because obviously we bring on guest youth workers every month. We thought it'd be really nice for young people to see our line managers and our bosses. Do you know what I mean? Because I think it's quite important. Like a lot of people will see us out and about, but maybe don't see you guys too much anymore unless you're coming around checking up on us and making sure we're doing everything right. But I just thought it was really nice. So very quickly, could you just explain your roles a little bit? Kel, do you want to go first?
Yeah, okay. So I'm Kelly Cobb and I'm the team manager for Wellbeing and Rights. And I have the lovely job of managing the mental health workers, a team of 5 now, amazing. And also look after the digital development. So that's Abby with Wicked.tv, you guys for YEPS TV, and our new app coming up soon. And also I look after the rights for young people. So that's quite a new thing for me in this new role. So we've got a communication and rights officer now called Alan. So we look after him and try and make sure young people's rights are being heard.
Perfect. Hayley? Very quick, Hayley.
My name's Hayley and I'm the team leader for schools and communities. So I manage all the YEOs that you've got in the schools in the West and the community youth offer coordinators who arrange all the activities for you. Is that quick enough for you all?
That was really quick.
Move!
Right.
Yes, Beth?
That was a moo.
That was
by
Beth.
And this is Ghost Town.
Yes!
Any face for you, Kel?
Pour it
Hayley over your head, I reckon.
Oh, Kelly's in
Over an egg, guys. Over an egg.
Kelly, I'm not the tea.
Oh, look at the help as well. Look at the help.
3, 4,
Brilliant.
5,
Beautiful.
Over an egg, Dad.
Oh, Abby's brutal.
Oh, Kelly, Hayley.
Kelly.
Put them up closer, Lee. Kelly, Hayley, you are amazing sports.
Here it is.
Let's put it over an egg one.
Oh!
Yes. Well done, everyone. Well done.
You dodged the bullet. Madison, you're the best helper. You and Abby.
Abby, thank you very much.
Grace, thank you for coming on.
Ellie, thank you for being brilliant sports.
Amazing sports. We'll catch you. Please don't sack us.
Please don't sack us on again.
Let's do soon.
Have a shower, ladies.
Hurrah, Ford.
Thank you. Bye. Well done.
Oh my days. Oh, guys, that was amazing.
Liam, Beth, thank you so much for joining us as well. Amazing. Yeah, so you can leave forfeit free. How amazing is that?
Forfeit free, guys. Well done to you.